My name is Solomon Stern, and my major is mechanical engineering.
My name is Michael Deo, and I'm a mechanical engineering major.
My name is Jonathan Bonilla, and I'm a mechanical engineering student.
My name is Judith Marcos, and my major is civil engineering.
My name is Ilyas Belaribia, and I am an electrical engineering major.
My name is Edward Rodriguez. My major is mechanical engineering.
My name is Ollie West, and my major is electrical engineering here at MCC.
I think that actually sparked my love in science is a random video I watched on YouTube at 3 a.m. when I was 10 years old. It was called The Symphony of Science, and I was so flabbergasted, I guess, by all the stuff that's happening around in the world that we don't even understand or know.
But I chose engineering because it involves building practical things versus lettering on a chalkboard.
Well, about 3 years back, I ended up seeing a YouTube video from a guy named Destin. His YouTube channel is Smarter Every Day, and he was going over a lot of SpaceX happenings, and it really blew me away.
Ever since I was little, I've really liked NASA, and the fact that humanity has actually made it to our planet's moon is absolutely fantastic. The fact that I could do something even small to help with that just filled me with joy.
Ever since I had started school, I had been eager to apply what I had learned so far. So when I came across this, I decided to take on the challenge.
I had taken part in NCOS before, NASA Community College Aerospace Scholars, and that was so much fun and really inspired me to keep on doing things with NASA. And my buddy Solomon had walked up to me and asked if I wanted to do another NASA project. So I was like, yeah, let's get on this. Let's make it happen.
I am part of the research team, so whenever we see any concepts that look promising as an addition to our anchor, I would go and look at it, read research papers about it, or videos on it, or anything like that. As well as I had the experiment stuff, so I tested all the materials and components that would be part of the anchor at the end.
Specifically, I've been mostly focusing on the application of microspine within our anchor and how that would fit and how best to implement it into the design we have.
I understand that it's a long shot, and it's not entirely guaranteed that it will ever see the moon. However, I am excited to apply what I've learned here to future prospects.
I mean, I would love to be able to say, hey, I won, or we won NASA Minds, we got first place, but honestly, I would just love the opportunity to be able to present our design and really argue why ours is great and why it would be very valuable to NASA.
But I think just as important that everybody gets to apply everything that they've learned. They've demonstrated that they are willing to go above and beyond. We've put a lot of time every week into this project, all of us. So making this pay off is a big deal.
By doing this project, I've gotten exposed to tons of stuff that I've never had experience before. But I think the most important things that I've gotten to learn are, first of all, finding key information. So now through experience, I know where exactly to look and how to find stuff that I need as part of the research team. Since I had to look at components that are pretty vague and are not very popular.
So far this year, I have learned 3 major things. The first one would be how to properly structure a workflow for a big group from Gantt charts. The second would be how to properly manage our finances from a budget. And the third one being how to properly present our work done.
Oh wow, well, I've learned a lot more about 3D printers. I've also learned that a lot of things can go wrong in the design process and the testing process. A lot of things broke. But we were able to fix the design flaws and make it so that they wouldn't break in the future. I've also learned a lot about teamwork, and I've learned a lot about tolerances and shrinkages of different material, the aspects of material, the properties. I've also learned a lot about organization and how to word things differently, how to word things in a more professional business manner.
How to work as a team. Every single time I've done team exercises or team groups in the past, it's always been me doing all of the work, whereas this time, genuine teamwork is what fuels this entire project, and learning how to work as a team really brought it all together for me.
The Pleiades anchor is designed to be very multifunctional. We're designing it so that it can not only anchor objects and people to the lunar surface, but it can also be used in unexpected ways that the ingenious astronauts on the moon will find for it. We are trying to, with everything, make Pleiades as versatile as possible. That way, whenever problems do arise, Pleiades anchor is what they'll reach for first.
Looking long term, I believe humans will be in space to stay. And I think that our project will be a small but very pivotal step in allowing that to happen. So far, it has been extremely fun and a little stressful at times. However, I believe we are doing fantastic, and I have really high hopes for all of us as a group and as individuals.
It's been really, really neat. The project from the beginning was just bringing the smartest people that I know together and aiming them at a goal worthy of the cause, and that being Artemis.